Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So, hey, I want to get you caught up on the beta before I take it out to Texas. So, a little bit, just to give you guys an update, which has been kind of cool. So let's start up top here because I talked about some of the upgrades that I did. So obviously I put the giant loop thing here, but I did put in the beta bar risers. So as you guys can see, it lifted it up pretty high here. And then I added a mount for my Garmin Zumo XT2 that I use. So this was cool because it definitely needed the bar risers, because if you didn't have the bar riser, this couldn't fit down there because it was too tight into the system. But and then this does not really block the LED here, so that's a good thing. But then now I've got my Garmin Zumo XT that I can mount there if I wanted to. I did add bark busters. You guys can see these small little bark busters. That's awesome. And then some big addition here is concept seats. So I did add a concept seat, which is pretty neat. Man, it's a lot more comfortable and a lot better than the factory one. The factory one was stiff and like a board. So but this one had it customized for my big fat butt. So anyways, I have this, and then I did put the flow pegs. I think you guys saw that. And then I added the hammerhead brake extender. So that was good. AXP skid plate. Got that all the way down. But yeah, so pretty excited. Giant loop bag on the front here. Carry little tools. Got the bark busters, or not necessarily bark busters, but the Circa beta ones that go on here. So that's been an upgrade. And then obviously I showed this last time as well. With the protector back here. And you know what? I always forget. I also didn't show the radiator guards the last time. So those are pretty sharp as well. Heavy duty. So anyways, and springs were redone. And I am good to go. So really looking forward to finally getting this thing out. I've only got, I think I've put about 11, 12 miles on this thing, and it's all been in the city, which stinks because at the end of the day, this really should be off-road. So I'll be glad to get this thing down south and put it through its pace to get some hours on it and just spend some time on it, because I know it'll make me a better rider. This is what everybody has stated, and watching videos and watching other folks, I think, you know, it'll help me get better even on my 1250. So really looking forward to spending some time on this bike and get you guys a kind of a first ride review on it. I know it's been sitting here for over a month and haven't had anything out there, so a little disappointed on me for not doing that. And I'm sure you guys want to see some content that has to deal with this and see my trials and tribulations with the Beta 430. So anyways, a lot of upgrades, really excited, and can't wait for more to come on the Beta stuff. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.